So this is how my R9 is currently sitting. As you guys can see, it is completely unrideable. We got all the fairings, the gas tank over there. And the reason it's like this is not because I went down, knock on wood, but it's because of what's in that box right there. And as you guys can see, something is missing in this bike, and that's my ECU. I shipped out my ECU to get flashed probably about 2 days ago, so in about a week or two I should have it back in my possession. I'm getting it tuned by the one and only Wheel DynoWorks, the only place I trust in my ECU, especially with the bike as brand new as the R9. You definitely do not want to give it to anyone random. Wheel DynoWorks are the only credible people in my opinion, given how much experience they have on these bikes. And you might be wondering why I have so much of the fairings torn off. You guys can see I have it all over the place. It's actually because of what's in that white box right there. Inside this white box, I have a pre-production full system exhaust for my Yamaha R9. And yes, you heard it correctly. This is a pre-production unit. It's not even available to the public yet. As soon as I get my flashed ECU back, I am going to put this on. Actually, no, I'm gonna put the full system on today. But given that I won't have the ECU back until a week or two, you guys obviously won't be able to hear it. But I will be sure to document the entire process of installing it as well as reviewing it. So the purpose of today's video is basically just gonna be me talking about some of the changes I did on my R9. As you guys can see, I haven't posted in about a month or so, and that's because of my finals that I had to do. But now that I'm done with finals, I'm able to dedicate way more of my time into creating content for you guys. So let's go ahead and jump into the first thing that I changed, which is this bad boy right here. But as you guys can see, added on some tank grips. Honestly, don't know what to think about it. As far as the function of it, I absolutely love it. It does what it needs to do. I'm not slipping around when I'm taking any corners, which is really good. It keeps me exactly where I want to be. But as far as how it looks, I'm kind of 50-50 on it. I really want to hear what you guys have to say about it. I kind of wish it was a little darker, but honestly, it doesn't really bug me too much. Only thing I like about it is that it matches the side of the fairing where it says R9. So that's kind of the only reason I'm holding on to it, but let me know what you guys think. I also went ahead and tightened my chain. Make sure you guys do that every 500 miles or so. You do not want that snapping on you because that won't be a fun experience. Also, for this full system exhaust, I want to hear you guys' guesses. So guess in the comments down below or shoot me a DM on Instagram. I want to see if any of you guys get it right, so let me know. Next up, I actually went ahead and adjusted my pegs. This is something I didn't even know that came stock on the bike. Originally, the pegs come at a lower position, which is the 2 old holes there. I personally like the balls of my feet resting a little higher up, so that's why I took it out and put it a little higher. If they had a higher position than this, I would even do that, but this is the highest you're gonna get with the stock frame. So if this is something you guys didn't know, go ahead and do that and make that change. Other than that, I'm gonna take you guys over to the lower part of my bike. This right here goes on the lower part of my bike, right where that exhaust lies. And as you guys can see under this, we got a guardian belt right under that. So huge shout out to my boy that gifted this to me. If you guys haven't already gifted one of your motorcycle friends, make sure you do that. It's not even that expensive. A lot of people can argue that that belt doesn't do anything, but honestly, in my opinion, better safe than sorry. So make sure you pick one of these up for your boys. After that guardian belt, it really made me think about safety. So I went ahead and picked one of these up. The GPR install and review is going to be out before this video. I really put this to the test because I hit a bump at high speeds under the highest resistance. So make sure you guys check that video out. Oh my god, bro. Alright guys, so that's pretty much the rundown of what's currently going on with the R9. We got the tank grips, we got the adjustable pegs, we got the GPR stabilizer, we got the ECU getting flashed, full system exhaust that's getting installed very soon, and last but not least, a cracked phone. There isn't much more going on with the R9, obviously, because I can't even do anything without the ECU. I'm probably going to install the full system exhaust literally right after I stop filming this, but that install video probably won't come out until I get my ECU back, just because I think it's a little pointless posting the full install video of my full system exhaust without any sound clips at the end. But yeah, it's completely up to you guys. If you guys are down to see that install video without any sound clips until I get my ECU back, then I'll for sure do that. Just make sure you guys comment down below because I'm going solely based off what you guys want to see. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. I'm gonna go ahead and install this exhaust literally 5 minutes after I finish this video. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I post all the behind the scenes content on there, and I post most of the things you guys see here on YouTube a couple days earlier, so make sure you guys follow that. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.